Good morning, children. How are you? Children, in this video, we will learn about farm animals. Children, there are some animals which are raised on farm and they are called farm animals. Now, I will show you the pictures of some farm animals. Duck, duck, dog, dog, cow, cow, donkey, donkey, hen, hen, sheep, sheep, pig, pig, goat, goat, horse, horse. Children, these animals are our friends and which give us many things including food and clothes. Like sheep gives us wool, hen gives us eggs, cow gives us milk. Children, these are all farm animals. Thank you. Have a nice day.